Kendall homeowners understand the importance of combining beauty with protection. With South Florida's mix of sunshine, coastal breezes, and the occasional tropical storm, choosing home upgrades that are both stylish and strong is essential. One upgrade that checks every box: appearance, safety, and long-term value, is Impact Window installation. Impact windows aren't just a storm protection feature, they're a powerful design upgrade that can dramatically elevate your home's curb appeal while boosting its overall property value. Here's how they transform Kendall homes in both function and style. A sleek, modern look that updates your home instantly. Impact windows are designed with clean lines, slim frames, and high-quality materials that enhance the architectural style of any home. Whether your Kendall residence is modern, traditional, or coastal-inspired, Impact windows provide a polished, contemporary look that standard windows simply can't match. They enhance curb appeal by replacing bulky frames with sleek, visually appealing profiles, offering clearer, wider glass panels for a more open appearance, creating uniformity across the entire home when installed in multiple rooms, giving your exterior a refined, high-end aesthetic. This instant visual upgrade boosts your home's first impression, one of the biggest contributors to resale value. Enhanced natural light without compromising protection. Impact windows feature high-strength laminated glass that remains crystal clear, allowing more natural light to brighten your interior spaces. Unlike older, tinted storm panels or shutters, Impact windows let your home shine year-round. Benefits include brighter rooms that feel larger and more welcoming, better visibility from inside and outside, a cheerful, open atmosphere that buyers love, improved curb appeal from a clean, unobstructed exterior. Natural light is a major selling point, and Impact windows maximize it beautifully. Major boost to property value and buyer attraction in competitive Kendall neighborhoods. Impact windows help your home stand out. Buyers prioritize safety features, energy efficiency, and modern upgrades, making Impact windows a valuable amenity. Impact windows increase property value because they reduce the need for storm shutters, offer long-term durability and lower maintenance costs, provide year-round energy savings, enhance the overall look and efficiency of your home. Homes with Impact windows often sell faster, and for a premium, because buyers know they won't need to budget for window replacement or stormproofing. A strong selling point: storm and security protection. Impact windows are built to withstand high winds, flying debris, and forced entry. While their strength is their primary function, this added protection makes them highly desirable to potential buyers looking for peace of mind in a hurricane-prone region like Kendall. Their added protection includes laminated, multi-layer glass that resists breakage, reinforced frames designed for impact, a built-in security barrier against intruders, a reduction in insurance premiums for many homeowners. This combination of beauty and resilience makes Impact windows a long-term investment buyers value deeply. Improved energy efficiency and lower utility bills. South Florida heat can make electricity bills climb quickly. Impact windows help fight this problem by improving insulation and blocking harmful UV rays. Energy-saving features include low-E glass coatings that reduce solar heat gain, multi-pane designs with insulating layers, tightly sealed frames that prevent air leaks, UV protection that protects furniture and flooring. These efficiency benefits make your home cheaper to cool, another big selling point that boosts value. Noise reduction for a more peaceful home. One lesser-known benefit of Impact windows is their impressive sound insulation. The thick, laminated glass helps block outside noise from traffic, construction, or busy Kendall neighborhoods. This quieter indoor environment enhances everyday comfort and increases buyer appeal, especially for families or remote workers. Final thoughts: Impact windows offer far more than storm protection. They deliver a significant aesthetic upgrade, improved comfort, and long-lasting financial value for Kendall homeowners. From boosting curb appeal with a polished modern look to improving security and reducing energy costs, Impact windows are one of the smartest home improvements you can make in South Florida.